Life, as we know it, exists on a scale that often escapes the perception of our naked eye. Yet, an entire universe of wonder awaits those who dare to look closer. Step into the unseen world as we explore 15 amazing things viewed under a microscope. From the intricate patterns of a butterfly's wing to the bizarre creatures hiding in a drop of water, this video will reveal the beauty and mysteries of the microscopic universe. You'll see everyday objects transformed into mesmerizing landscapes and meet the tiny life forms that share our planet. Prepare to be amazed by the hidden details of life too small for the naked eye. Ready to dive in? Let's begin. The wings of a butterfly, a masterpiece of nature's artistry. A closer look reveals a mosaic of scales, each one a splash of vibrant color. What secrets lie hidden within a single drop of water? A universe of bizarre creatures, a microcosm teeming with life unseen by the naked eye. We shed them every day, but rarely observe them closely. Under a microscope, a human hair is no longer a single strand, but a complex structure of overlapping scales. Chapter 4: Salt Crystals, Architecture of the Everyday. The humble salt crystal, a staple of our kitchens, reveals an unexpected beauty when magnified. Geometric precision, a testament to the order of the natural world. Chapter 5: Plant cells, the building blocks of life. Within every leaf and every blade of grass lies a hidden world of intricate machinery. Plant cells, with their rigid walls and verdant chloroplasts, power life on Earth. Chapter 6: Spider's Silk, Nature's Superfiber. Stronger than steel, finer than hair, the silk of a spider is one of nature's most remarkable materials. Under a microscope, we can marvel at its intricate structure. Chapter 7: Pollen grains, tiny travelers. Carried by the wind or on the legs of insects, pollen grains are the silent messengers of the plant world. Each one a unique vessel carrying the promise of new life. Chapter 8: Sand grains, a history in miniature. A beach, a seemingly endless expanse of sand, yet each grain tells a story. Eroded rock, remnants of shells, a miniature history of our planet. Chapter 9: Blood cells, the river of life, flowing through our veins, a river of life. Red blood cells, like tiny ships transporting oxygen. White blood cells, the guardians, patrolling for invaders. From the clothes we wear to the carpets beneath our feet, fabrics are woven into the tapestry of our lives. Each thread, a testament to human ingenuity. Imagine a world seen through 1,000 lenses. The compound eyes of insects offer a completely different perspective on the world around us. They thrive in the shadows, often unseen, yet they play a vital role in the cycle of life. Mold spores, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of nature. Chapter 13: Fish scales, shimmering armor. Beneath the water's surface, a flash of silver. Fish scales overlapping like armor provide protection and allow for effortless movement. Chapter 14: Paper fibers, from tree to text, the pages of a book, a canvas for ideas. Yet they're composed of countless fibers, a testament to the ingenuity of transforming nature into knowledge. Chapter 15: Bacteria, the unseen world. They are everywhere, yet invisible to us. Bacteria, single-celled organisms, are essential to life on Earth, shaping our world in countless ways. Thank you for joining us on this microscopic journey. We hope you were as amazed as we were by the hidden details of our world. From the delicate scales of a butterfly wing to the bustling life within a drop of water, the microscopic universe is filled with wonders waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible explorations. There's so much more to see, so much more to learn about the world that exists beyond our vision. Until next time, keep exploring the unseen.